Alright, hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna cold start Big Blue. It's a 07 F250 6.0. Hasn't been started in about 10 days. It's been real cold though. It's been below freezing for I guess about 4 days now. Today is the first day that we're above freezing. And actually the inside temperature is where we are now, because that unit's usually inside my house. So 36 degrees. It's the warmest it's been in a while. I came out, tried to fire it earlier, and the batteries are a little bit cold, so needed some extra juice. Hooked it up to the old taco. It's been sitting for a little bit, so let's go ahead and see if we can get her started. Batteries are only 2 years old, so I think they're good. I think they're just cold. Ugh. So let's see if she wants to cooperate today, assuming I have my keys. Now, I cycled her a couple of times, and glow plug should be pretty warm, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again, just because now I'm hooked up to another truck. Oh, she wants to go. And I actually, some things I got to fix on this. The fuel gauge is slowed down on working. Works intermittently. Oh, she's gonna go all right. Like I said, been about 10 days. It's been really, really cold. I can actually let my little glow plug indicator go off, and it'll continue to heat the glow plugs, get them a nice golden red. There she goes. She sounds a little chunky, but she'll smooth out. A little bit of smoke blew out, not too bad. She actually sounds pretty good for as cold as she is. I checked all the fluids first. They were good. You know 6.0s, you know that's what they sound like. Just gonna let her run, get warmed up, and I'll make it a point to come out more often and start it. Thanks for watching.